Hi and welcome back. It's now time for a new tutorial, and this one is going to be about text. Now I normally do Lightwave tutorials, as you know, but why am I then showing Microsoft Word? Now there's a reason for that. Sometimes people come and say, I want to make this tutorial, this logo or something, and they got some text ideas, and something happens like this. Let's just type here, for example, say Rico, and let's pop this up a bit, and let's say this here is the standard font, but I want this to be bold, and I want this to be italic, and so on, and this is how they want the text to be. And this often display in a mail or in a Word document or something like this, which is why I'm showing Word here. The problem is here that while you see here, I can do this with a bold and with a italic font. If you go into Lightwave and you test and you type here and you say Rico, and oops, I need the numeric panel here, and let's find the font we had here, Cambria. Cambria, like here. This is then the same font we have. However, I have no options here. I can't choose this to be bold, or I can't choose this to be italic or anything. This is a text. What do I do? This might be a problem then. So, why is this happening? Well, Lightwave doesn't have, for some reason, the same text options that others have. But what you don't know is that a program like Word here do see if a font is containing other options. But some fonts don't contain options like bold and italic, and then Word is going to fake them. Say I change this to the Skia font here. I can then click here. I have the normal text. This is regular, as you know it. I can say bold, I can say italic. Still, it's working fine. Now, if I go to say Illustrator here, to say I then want to fix the text in here and import it into Lightwave, I can then type Rico here. Let's zoom out a bit. Oops. Like this. We then have the text here, and I can then say if I have Vadana, as I have now, I can choose bold, italic, stuff like this. No problem. If I choose Skia, you see I have regular. I have nothing. So I have no chance of making this text using Illustrator or something, and I can't export it as bold italic from Word. So what I do? Well, there might be free applications out there that could fix this. However, there's a small application also from Adobe, which is called Fireworks. And Fireworks, in fact, can fake it like Word does. So, if I go in here and I go to my text tool here, I can type Rico, and let's select Skia. I can then again select bold and italic, and I got what I wanted. So now I just need this to convert to path, so I can see now I have a curve like this. I can then export this, let's say as this is the wrong selection, it seems. Save as Adobe Illustrator instead, and let's just do it here. Test font, And we can go into modeler. Let's kill this. Import, EPS, select, and I got a reminder here. Font, where did it go? Did I call it test font? So I did. And I can choose here be rough on standard and fine the quality of the text. But let's try open this. And as you see here, I got the nice text with bold and italic. Where in Lightwave, if I made it here, I could have, let's get down, I need the scroll bar. Skia, as you see here. This would have been my choice or my result in Lightwave. The text is wrong here, I know it is IE, so on, but you get the point. So this is another way of doing the text here and converted it to Lightwave. As you see here, I have a small problem here with my O. That's natural when importing. What you do here, select the O, copy, cut, paste in here, extrude, drag it down, and then select it as a background. I can then use the solid drill, which is Shift C, and then select slice, and then I can kill this, and I got my hole as I liked. And I can extend this using the extrude, and I can go up here and I can make a small bevel here. As you see, I'm getting a bevel problem here because there's 2 points here that needed to be fixed in the font, but that is pretty quick to solve, and done. Nice 3D text that I couldn't be able to make in Lightwave nor Illustrator. So I hope you can use this, and happy working.